Ladies and gentlemen, now that we're safely en route, the captain will shortly be switching off the fasten seatbelt signs. We highly recommend that you keep them loosely fastened for the duration of this flight. The CRJ 700 is fitted with one lavatory located at the rear of the cabin. It is fitted with a very sensitive smoke detector. Tampering with the smoke detector is seen as a serious criminal offence. We'll shortly be coming down the cabin with a complimentary water service. We invite you now to sit back, relax and enjoy the short flight with us.